Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we would be looking at one of our favorite coin on the channel, BNB. Right, if you like the channel, if you love the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be having more analysis on the channel. Right, and this is BNB USD on the weekly time frame. Binance is the data source. Right, we begin to look at BNB as we had a push up. We're expecting this push up. If you watched our last video, we're saying that we should probably expect a push up in the price of BNB at the moment. We're expecting this push up, and we saw the push up, so probably we should see probably a rejection from BNB, and we could see even BNB come even to lower prices. If we bring up our indicators, we could see we're having some little bearish divergence on the weekly for the oscillator, and as you can see, even though we have more money coming into BNB on the money flow, right? So quite some little conflicting information on the weekly there as regards our indicators. If we push over even to the 3 days time frame, as you can see, the 3 days time frame gives us a hint as to what we should expect. As you can see, we're already hitting resistance on the BNB price chart. As you can see, we have our red line already at the resistance, and we're already at the resistance, so probably that we should see BNB push even to the downside, even around the 297 region, and if that support doesn't hold, we should see BNB at the 262 region, right? So probably we should still see or expect more downside even for BNB at the moment. As you can see, currently this is the 3 days time frame. If we bring up our indicators, as you can see, this is looking very bearish. We're having the same bearish uh, engulfing on the money flow, right? This is a bearish trend on the money flow, so probably we should see further downside even for BNB on the 3 days time frame. If we come over to the daily time frame, as you can see, we have been saying that we are already hitting resistance on the daily, and probably we should see, if possible, a sideways action, little push even probably to the top at 323, but for now we probably should expect further more downward price action. If we bring up our indicators, quite little bullish divergence, so we could see some little push even to the upside, even to 322, before we come down even to the downside. So we should see BNB do something like this, and then something like this, right? So we should expect it to have something like this. So this is what we should be expecting for the price of BNB at the moment. So we should see price come over even to the resistance at around 324, and then push back downwards, right? On the daily time frame, as you can see, little money still coming into BNB, right, for the money flow, and we are having a hidden bearish divergence even on the oscillator. So probably we should expect some little upside and then a downside on BNB. Same thing we should be expecting if we push over to the 12-hourly time frame. We should be expecting the same thing. As you can see, a little push up, and then we have more push to the downside. So we should expect, right, this level to hold, the 300 to 308 level to hold, a little push to the upside, and then we have further push even to the downside. If we bring up our indicators, as you can see, having a lot of bearish divergence on the even on the oscillator. As you can see, this is a bearish divergence. Same thing on the oscillator, this is also a bearish divergence, so we could probably see a little push up and then some huge push up down even to the downside. If you like the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you and have a blessed day.